Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up investor due diligence with RamQuest. Quick tutorial step by step. Open the RamQuest platform and log in using your credentials. Navigate to the investor due diligence section from the main dashboard. Click on the Add New Investor button to create a new investor profile. Fill in the required fields such as investor name, contact information, and investment type. Attach any relevant documents necessary for the due diligence process. Specify the due diligence criteria that you will use to assess the investor. Save the investor profile once all information is complete. Select the newly created investor to review the due diligence checklist. Go through each item on the checklist to ensure all requirements are met. If any criteria are not satisfied, note them down for follow-up and clarification. Once all items are checked off, mark the due diligence process as complete. Review the summary report generated by RamQuest to confirm details. Share the completed due diligence report with your team or stakeholders as necessary. Regularly return to the investor due diligence section to update information or review new submissions. Ensure to document any communication or follow-up that arises during the due diligence process. Finalize the setup by establishing a timeline for future reviews of investor compliance. Monitor the effectiveness of your due diligence with periodic assessments and updates to your criteria. This concludes the setup process for investor due diligence in RamQuest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.